Assalamu alaikum, good afternoon. My father used to tell me that there used to be beautiful marine life in Karachi, and now we just don't see any. Um, it's very sad, and it's an undeniable fact that we dump around, we have been dumping around 400 to 600 millions of gallons of untreated sewage and waste into our sea, into our rivers, and it's happening सारे provinces में ये हो रहा है. And I'm not saying that industries are not regulating themselves. They have treatment plants, but I think the government has to regulate our industries, and they have to regulate and they have to fix the treatment plants. And it's a no-brainer. You know, we can talk about climate change the whole month or today or next week, but I genuinely feel that why can't we stop this? Hundreds of millions of gallons we are dumping into our rivers and seas. So I think it's very important that state and industry, they both have to realize this, that they have to stop this. And I think it's a fixable problem और ये कल सुबह हो सकता है. क्यों नहीं हो रहा? I wish कि अगर चारों provinces के heads यहाँ बैठे होते तो हम उनसे पूछ सकते. Industries के head होते तो उनसे पूछते. बल्कि SCCP के chairman मुझे नज़र आए थे तो मैंने सोचा मैं इनसे पूछूं कि आप यही regulate कर दें इंडस्ट्रीज़ को कि वो अपने ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट्स रखें. बट एनीवे, आई जनरली बिलीव दैट climate change is a real issue. बहुत ही scary है. But I see Dr. Zeba Sattar over here. I just did a song for population management. It's called Waqfa, Spacing Between Children. And it's for Population Council and MKRF. And there's a debate going on. And I'm very happy that it triggered a debate, but I was just speaking to Dr. Saba, and we were discussing that unless we don't have call to action, obviously, state and other organizations, they have to provide or strengthen BHQs and unko contraceptives dena, because 30% of, I think, जिनकी शादियाँ होती, they want to ये फैमिली प्लानिंग करना चाहते हैं वो, लेकिन वो नहीं कर पाते बिकॉज शायद उनके पास गाइडेंस नहीं है, BHQs इक्विप नहीं है, कॉन्ट्रसेप्टिव्स की अवेलेबिलिटी नहीं है. सो विदाउट कॉल टू एक्शन, स्टेट की रेगुलेशंस के बगैर कोई भी चीज़ आइसोलेशन में करना बहुत मुश्किल है. वी टर्न अराउंड गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स इन पाकिस्तान एंड वी ट्राई टू चेंज पॉलिसीज अक्रॉस. सो I think in isolation, if we just teach our children, because we also influence our curriculum, our syllabus, and Sharmila is here, so मैं इनको मुबारकबाद देना चाहूँगा that Sindh was the first province in Pakistan जिन्होंने बच्चों को sexual abuse से बचाने के लिए curriculum implement किया था. I think they deserve a big round of applause. And unfortunately अभी वो पूरे पाकिस्तान में कहीं पर भी इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं हुआ, बट आई थिंक पंजाब is really willing to do it. I don't know about KPK and Balochistan. So it was the first province जहाँ पर safe touch, unsafe touch की बातचीत शुरू हुई थी. But it's really important to understand that when we implemented this curriculum with Ahang in our government schools and private schools, and when children started speaking about it, कि safe touch होता क्या है, unsafe touch होता क्या है, आप इसको report कैसे करते हैं, when children started reporting about this, then we realized that हमारा child protection unit है, not just in Sindh but हर जगह, उसके अंदर social welfare department नहीं है, उसमें police नहीं है, उसमें health नहीं है, they don't have good psychologists, child psychologists, police, women police who are trained to deal such issues. I think बच्चे अगर जब बताना शुरू करते हैं तो उसको fix कैसे किया जाएगा. अगेन यहाँ पर फिर दोबारा स्टेट आ जाती है. सो हम बच्चों को जितना भी सिखा दें नॉट टू लिटर, क्लाइमेट चेंज की अवेयरनेस के बारे में, यू नो, when you talk to an underprivileged family and tell them, and if you teach a child कि आप straw use नहीं करते, आपने litter नहीं करना, because they earn their bread every day, they are the earning member of their families, उनको नहीं समझ आता climate change. So it's extremely important that yes, we need multiple interventions, we need to teach our children कि क्लाइमेट चेंज है क्या, हम कैसे प्रिवेंट कर सकते हैं, कैसे कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं. इट्स एक्सट्रीमली इम्पॉर्टेंट कि स्टेट को रेगुलेट करना पड़ेगा. सो आखिर में बस आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट all our provinces and all our industries to please stop dumping untreated sewage and untreated waste into our seas and rivers. Thank you.